Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize keyboard shortcuts in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is come to the top panel, click on Edit, and from this drop down click here on Settings. And then I want you to come here and click on Shortcuts. Then you can just choose any of these shortcuts to go ahead and change. Let's say I want to change the one for Open. I just click here, and then on your keyboard I want you to press the keys you want to use for the shortcut. In this case, let's say I'd like to use Control plus I, and as you can see right there, it is being used. I'll close this up, and on my keyboard I'll press Control plus I, and it opens up the Open dialog window. I'll close this and I'll show you how to reset everything. You just click on Edit, click here on Settings, and then click on Shortcuts again, and there is a reset button right here. So if I click on that, it should be set back to Control plus O. And there you go. That is how to customize keyboard shortcuts in Affinity Studio.